Most roles are defined by tasks. What you do, what you deliver, what you complete. But tasks don't create leverage, outcomes do. This video explains why operators detach from task ownership and move toward outcome ownership, and why that shift quietly reshapes power inside systems. Tasks are concrete. They're visible, measurable, and easy to delegate. That makes them attractive to systems that want predictability. But ease of assignment also makes tasks replaceable. Excellence at tasks improves efficiency. It doesn't expand scope. When your value is defined by execution quality, the ceiling is set by how many tasks you can personally complete. Outcomes are messy. They involve trade-offs, ambiguity, and uncertainty. That's why systems prefer to assign tasks instead. Pushing outcome responsibility upward or sideways. Operators don't wait for outcome ownership to be granted. They start behaving as if outcomes are their responsibility. They track impact, anticipate failure modes, and adjust systems before being asked. Owning outcomes means your judgment becomes visible. If things go wrong, responsibility is clear. This risk keeps many people anchored to tasks. Even when outcomes matter more. When someone consistently owns outcomes, trust increases. Not emotional trust, operational trust. Decisions start routing toward whoever reduces uncertainty most reliably. Tasks can be completed without decisions. Outcomes cannot. Outcome ownership forces decision-making. Which is where leverage concentrates. Tasks tend to expand indefinitely. There's always more to do. Outcomes, however, impose limits, forcing prioritization, simplification, and design. Over time, outcome owners influence structure. They redesign workflows, metrics, and expectations. Task owners remain downstream, regardless of skill. If every success adds more tasks, if impact feels disconnected from effort, if authority never expands, you're likely trapped in task ownership. Task ownership proves competence. Outcome ownership builds leverage. Operators don't just finish work, they shape what work exists in the first place.